Hey guys, Zepto is giving free gift plus cashback plus pass at the rate 1 rupee and also coupon as you see in the picture. It's pretty nice, right? Well, check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers as you see in the picture. These were some of the items we have ordered on Zepto, and we have got a free gift box from Zepto, and the order value should be 599 rupees and above to get a free gift. This a lot, which I'll share it in the later part of the video. As for now, we'll see what's there in the gift box. Are you interested? Pretty interested, right? So we are opening the box, and it comes with this Google Pay. You can scan this QR code with the cashback offer it gives, as you see in the picture. If you want, you can claim this cashback. 200 cashback is available. If you don't know how to scan, I'll provide a video in the I button and screen and description box. You can check out. Next we have got Love It. This is like lollipop, right? It's a strawberry flavor. You can enjoy this. It costs 5 rupees. And next we have got Apsara. This is pen. It looks good, right? It's pretty pink. It has got comfortable grip with smooth writing as you see in the picture. Next item, we have this 100% cheddar slices, which is a guide. But inside we have got this magnet. This guide you can access by scanning the QR code, as you see in the picture. It looks nice, right? Next we have got this plaster to cover your wounds. The next product we have here, the Rexona. This is Dio with the aloe vera flavor. It costs 95 rupees. It's a roll-on, as you all know. It has got long-lasting fragrance for 72 hours. As you see in the picture, we have got this sunscreen at rupees 149. It's a minimalist skin sign product. As you see in the picture, you can apply whenever you're going out in the sun. Next product, we have again the sunscreen. This is vitamin C sunscreen from Dr. Shet's products. You can apply. As you see in the picture, we have this Nivea free sample. This is a moisturizer cream which you can apply to your face and skin or body. And this is the last product we have got in the box. It's a steam drink. It's a cold beverage. And lastly, you can note all your wins or big 5 wins in year 2025 as you see in the picture. Now we'll see as how to order free gift plus a lot more. Okay, first go to Zepto. As you see in the picture, you have 2 stores. When you go for Super Saver store, 50 cashback would be given on your first order. And also if you go for night orders, you have 50 flat off on your order. And if you want a free gift box, the minimum order differs. Now I'm going to Zepto with no minimum order value. When you go there, the minimum order value shows only 499 rupees. So you can order as you see in the picture. You can go to all categories and order. Add to cart the products you want. It shows the Super Saver rates or prices also. You can shift to Super Saver if you want. And after adding all the products to cart, go to view cart, and here comes the gift for you. 1 rupee Zepto pass if you want. It's been automatically added in the cart. So I left it like that. As you see in the picture, a gift box is added along with Zepto pass at rupees 1. And now go to coupons and apply the coupon as shown in the picture. Here we have got many coupons you can apply. And now you can check out and place your order. As you see in the picture, when the order is due for delivery, this kind of screen appears before you. You can click on gift icon as shown in the picture. A scratch card will be opened up. You can scratch and win a coupon you can copy this coupon, and if you want to use at the later times, you can go to Zepto rewards and check out. As you see in the picture, I have copied the coupon. I am navigating to that site as shown in the picture. You can follow, and here you can apply the coupon. Once you apply the coupon, you see my glam products kit you're getting just for 199 rupees with free membership also. Go to cart. Here you can see all the benefits and check out. So if you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Happy New Year.